Miss Brown Butterfly 1. I am here to share with you guys my unboxing of my premium lace wig. It is, it came with two clips. Let me see what's all in here. I will not be on camera because I am not camera ready. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I want to, let me move this pillow. I want to wear this tomorrow, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys first. So it gives you two clips, the band, and some bob pins. So yeah, and then it also, let me take it out of this bag, comes in this pink mesh bag here. And then it comes with a, I guess this is a makeup bag. Oh, isn't that pretty? So yeah, and then it's the box with the wig, and it is premium lace wig, fashion and beauty. So I'm going to, oh, it's a comb on the inside. Ooh, real cheap, but it's okay. And then you get wig caps. And then the wig that I have, and I paid approximately $60 for it. The wig itself was $45. Then there was a $25 shipping, and then I had spring 20. So there was an extra $10 off. So I paid $60 for it. So the hair length is 10 inch. The hair texture deep curly. And the cap is 13 by 6 lace front wig. So yeah, let me unbox it and show you guys. Because I'm going to shampoo it and sit it under the dryer while I just do whatever around the house. So this is it. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that pretty? And it's 10 inches. I'm going to shampoo it. That's the inside. I don't think I'm going to bleach the knots. If I do, no, I don't think I'm going to bleach them. And I'm not going to put makeup on. I'm not a big fan of putting makeup on my caps to wear them, because as a hairstylist, your scalp is not supposed to look like your skin. If you look at your scalp is either darker or lighter than your skin tone. So I will not be doing neither one of those. My wig cap will give me the color that I need. So yeah, this is the wig. And this is from Premium Lace Wig. I got it in about 2 days. So yeah, I'm going to shampoo it, put it on and wear it, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you what it looks like on, and also how it wears. So I'll come back to you guys, but again, I just want to unbox it with you guys. Go to Premium Lace Wig, and this is not a sponsored video. Talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Miss Brown Butterfly 1. Bye.